Good morning. Welcome to social science class. So this is our term 1 and we are in unit 3 and our unit 3 name is municipality and corporation. So we have already completed our lesson to 5 landforms, that is Kurunchi, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal, Palai, and we have seen some of the features of all the landforms, who is the god, what work they are doing, all those things we have studied in the previous lesson. So you might have written in your classwork, revised it, everything. Okay, so today we are starting with a new lesson, that is lesson 3, municipality and corporation. So the key concepts we are going to study today is what is a municipality? So, what is the work of a municipality? And who is the head of the municipality? And what are the duties of municipality? And what are the sources of income for the municipality? All these things will be studying. And corporations will be studying in the next lesson. So, by this lesson, we'll be learning what is the major functions of all these municipalities. Okay. So Mugilan went to his uncle's house during summer vacation. One day he was playing in a park. He was playing in a park. So when that time there was an announcement in an auto. So there was a speaker and an announcement telling that all people pay your home tax and other tax immediately. Announcement. Kindly all people pay your home tax and other tax immediately. So on hearing the announcement, Mugilan ran to his uncle's house and he went inside the house. His uncle asked, "Hey, why are you running? What happened?" Mugilan said, "Uncle, what is municipality? Why should we pay taxes?" So, on the backdrop, you can see one municipality building. Okay. So Mugilan is asking question, what is a municipality? And his uncle is answering to the question. So what is a municipality? It is a form of local government in small town where 50,000 to 1 lakh people live. So small areas, whichever is a small place, around 50,000 to 1 lakh people living in that place will form a small local government. And that form of local government is called as your municipality. So it is divided into small wards. So you might have seen in your home, you will be telling this is my 15th ward and this is the 10th ward. So here Mugilan is staying in the 10th ward and in his locality there are totally 30 wards. Okay, similarly, even in your locality there may be some ward numbers and the ward number which you are residing. Okay, in Tamil Nadu there are totally 152 municipalities available here. Okay, next, Mugilan asked his uncle, who is the head of the municipality? So the uncle's reply is, President is the head of the municipality. And how they are elected? Yes, President and members of municipalities are elected by people directly. So we are going to elect the President and members. And tenure of the members is 5 years. What is meant by tenure? That is the period of time they are going to have the power. So that period is around 5 years. And one of the members of the municipality is selected as vice president. So those members who are selected as municipality other than president, from that one person will be selected for your vice president. Okay. So next, he asked another question. What is the question? What are the duties of a municipality? First, what is a municipality? He asked. That question is, it is a form of small government, he has told. And next thing, who is the head of the municipality? Yes, good. It is the president. Now, what are the duties of the municipality? The duties of municipality is providing street lamps. So you might have seen some people's providing street lamps and all these are from municipalities. And next, constructing library and its maintenance. They are going to build a local library in your places, and they will be maintaining it. And next, maintaining local markets. So you might have heard about Sandai, a Saturday evening or a Sunday, weekly once in the evening or in the morning. They'll be having Sandai for 2 to 3 hours, in which all the fruits and vegetables or all the things whichever is required, it will be sold in that local market. Okay, so that is your Sandai. All will gather here and they will get buy and all the vegetables and fruits whatever they need. So these are the duties of your municipality. There are some more duties. So what are those duties other than these things? Yes, one is providing drinking water. So they are going to provide drinking water facilities. So in the morning time or alternate days, you will be getting this drinking water. This drinking water they'll be bringing in this vehicle. They'll be supplying to different areas. So this is one of your duty of municipality. And next is constructing roads. So they even construct the roads inside your streets or the main roads. Everything will be constructed by your municipality people. And next thing is removing garbage dumps. So even nowadays, you might have seen some people will be taking the content of dustbin from your homes. Individual homes, they will be collecting the content. So they are from the corporation offices. Okay, they are from the municipalities. Okay, they'll be collecting all the garbages. They'll be putting it to some other locations. So they'll be removing the waste even from the road as well as from the individual houses. So these are the duties of your municipality. Okay. So next, what is the source of income for the people or for the work done by the municipality? So some of the people's working here and how income is obtained for them. So the income is majorly coming from central government and state government. They will be providing the money. And another thing is tax from the people. Yes, we will be paying some tax. Those taxes will be the sources of income for the municipalities. What are the taxes? Yes, house tax, professional tax, drinking water tax, shop tax, road tax, and drainage tax. So you'll be paying your house tax. All these things, whichever is suitable to you, you'll be paying those taxes to the municipalities. So that will be a income for those people working in the municipalities and for the functioning of the municipality. Okay. And next, there are following comes under municipalities. So some of the things comes under the municipalities. What are those things is townships. You have this Neyveli. For example, Neyveli is a township. Together you live. Those things are called as townships, as towns. And next thing, cantonment boards. That is nothing but this Parangi Malai and Kunnur examples. Parangi Malai. It is Parangi Malai and Kunnur. Cantonment boards. And third thing is notified area committee. All these three things comes under your municipalities. One is your township, and next is your cantonment board, and third one is your notified area committee. Okay. So do you know some facts about this municipality? Yes. What are the facts? The father of the local bodies is Lord Ripon. And this is the person. This is Lord Ripon. He is the father of your local bodies. All these municipalities and corporation, everything, he is the father. And second thing, Tamil Nadu consists of 33 districts, 386 panchayat unions, and 12,620 grama panchayats. So this is some facts about this municipalities. Okay. So we have an activity to do. What is the activity is? You have to find what is the name of your municipality. To which municipality do you belong? And what is your ward number? Okay. And how many wards are there in your locality? And what are the parks and libraries available in your ward? All these things you have to find out and write it in your notebook. Okay, you have to write the name of your municipality and ward number of your locality and how many wards in your locality and what are the parks and libraries available in your locality. Okay, and you have one more assignment, that is the recap questions. You have to write this recap questions in your classwork. So So first question is, who is the head of the municipality? Yes, correct. The head of the municipality is president. What is the tenure of the president? Yes, good. It is 5 years. And how is vice president elected? Yes, all the president and vice president and the members of the municipalities are elected by the people. They'll be voting. And one of the members will be elected as your vice president. Okay. Next is, what are the taxes paid by the people? So these taxes will be the source of the income to the municipality. And what are the taxes that is being paid by the people? Yes, correct. Good. The taxes paid by people are, first one is house tax, then the professional tax, drinking water tax, shop tax, road tax. So all these taxes are being paid by the people to the municipality. And also the drainage tax. And next thing, what are the duties of the municipality? Yes, the duties of municipality are, first thing is you providing your street lamp, and then they are constructing roads, then they will remove garbage dumps and maintain local market, that is your sandai, and providing drinking water facilities. All these are the duties of municipalities. Okay, so write all these 3 questions in your classwork and submit it. Okay, while writing, just spell it and write it, pronounce it again and again, read it and write it. Okay, so that's all with today's session. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.